Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. 2 months ago I unboxed this brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange, and to be honest I was quite impressed, or I was quite hyped. And after 2 months of usage, I'd like to give you what the 2 months of experience has been using this phone, what I liked, what I did not like, the things I'm quite impressed about, and the things that I'm glad I knew before purchasing this phone. So let's get started. So let's start with the overall feel. After 2 months of daily use, the iPhone 17 Pro Max still feels very premium. The aluminium unibody is smooth and surprisingly comfortable to grip. But because it's aluminium and not titanium, it's definitely a bit softer. This quite aligns with what other reviewers have reported on the internet. For instance, The Verge reported that the aluminium case scratches more easily than expected. I've also noticed some very tiny scratch on the edge, but mine is negligible to be honest. And I think the overall scratch depends on the usage. In terms of size and weight, it's chunkier than the previous Pro models, and if you're coming from smaller iPhones like this iPhone 13, it's more or less like an adjustment. In terms of battery, this is one key area where this iPhone 17 Pro Max definitely shines. I made a full review of how I pushed this iPhone 17 Pro Max to its limit, and then I'll leave the link to the video in the description box. Apple claims up to 37 hours of video playback on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and while I never watch that much straight, in real life, I'm consistently ending my day with around 30 to 35% battery left. And with the right charger, it can hit around 50% in roughly 20 minutes, and thanks to the faster 40-watt wired charging, I love it. I will say, though the phone warms up a bit during fast charging, but it's not dramatic. Performance has been crazy good. Between the A19 Pro chip and the new vapor chamber cooling, this thing doesn't slow down. An online review actually noted that the new cooling helps with sustained performance during gaming sessions, which I've definitely seen. Even after long sessions, it's noticeably cooler than the older Pro Max models. The display of this phone is another major win. It's bright, it's crisp, and then the reduced reflectivity makes a real difference outdoor. The design is where opinions are split. Some people love it, some people hate it. Even the New York Post calls this design ugly when it was first launched, simply because of this camera bump at the back that Apple calls the plateau. Now the camera, this is where iPhone 17 really flexes its muscle. We've got the triple 48 megapixel setup with 8 times optical quality telephoto lens, and honestly, the zoom is wild. Photos are sharp, colors are accurate, and the video is super stable. But I've noticed one weird thing, and this is something others reported too. Under certain LED or constant lighting, some users have seen rectangles or weird artifacts in their photos. For me, it's rare, but it has happened. I am running the latest iOS version and overall it's been good, but not perfect. Some people on Reddit have reported laggy animations and delayed inputs. Occasionally I've experienced some stutters and some app crashes. It's nothing major, but I think it's worth mentioning. And now when it comes to the cosmic orange, I still love it and I think it's still the best choice when it comes to color. And it definitely turns red everywhere. But here's the thing. There have been reports online of the orange finish fading slightly towards a rose gold look over time. Tom's guide even covered this possibility. Mine looks the same so far, but I'll definitely keep an eye on it. So after 2 months of owning this iPhone 17 Pro Max, here are the things that I'm glad I knew earlier. Number 1 is using the case early. The aluminium scratches more easily and would have been a disaster if I had not used the case early, as I've accidentally dropped the phone many times. Number 2. This phone is heavy. Definitely try it out in store if you have not. Number 3. To get those fast charging speed, you need a high watt charger and it's not included in the phone. Number 4. If you shoot concert or LED lit events, watch out for those occasional camera artifacts. A quick shout out to Banks. the partner of today's video, who has sent me this amazing phone pouch to review. I've been using this pouch for a while now, and in honesty, it pairs perfectly with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The inside padding feels very solid. The zipper is smooth and roomy without being bulky. I tested wireless charging with the pouch off and with it on, and there is no interference. The only downside is the pouch is a bit thick, but considering the protection, it is worth it. A very big thanks to Banks for sending this accessory over. If you are interested in purchasing this accessory or any of the amazing accessories manufactured by Banks, I will definitely leave a link to their website in the description box. So after 2 months of owning this iPhone 17 Pro Max, will I buy it again if I have to? Absolutely yes. The battery life, the camera, and the overall performance of this device has been simply amazing. It's definitely not perfect, it's heavy, it's expensive, and the aluminum frame needs more protection. Still, if you're a creator, you are a power user, or someone who loves big feature-packed phones, this phone will not disappoint you. Thanks for watching, and put a comment below your own personal experience with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to put a comment, and most importantly, I will appreciate if you can subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.